Fundshop Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Fundshop are in the description. Let's get straight into it. Fundshop is a robo-advisor designed to automate investing with AI-driven portfolio management. It's tailored for individuals looking for a hands-off investment approach, whether beginners or experienced investors wanting optimized asset allocation. Fundshop builds personalized portfolios based on risk tolerance, goals, and market trends, using ETFs and index funds to provide diversification and long-term growth. Key features: Fundshop offers automated portfolio rebalancing, ensuring investments stay aligned with your goals. It provides goal-based investing, allowing users to set objectives like retirement or wealth accumulation, and it adjusts strategies accordingly. The platform also supports tax optimization, helping investors minimize tax liabilities through efficient asset management. One standout feature is AI-driven market insights, which adjust portfolio allocations based on real-time data, making it more adaptive than traditional robo-advisors. Strengths: Fundshop is ideal for those who want low-cost automated investing without actively managing their portfolio. Its data-driven approach helps maximize returns while managing risks efficiently. The user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for beginners, and the low fees compared to traditional financial advisors make it a cost-effective solution. Additionally, its diverse portfolio options cater to different risk levels, from conservative to aggressive growth. Weaknesses: Despite its benefits, Fundshop has limitations. It lacks direct stock or crypto trading, making it less appealing to active investors. While AI-driven, it's still not a replacement for human financial advisors, so complex financial planning may require external consultation. Additionally, market downturns can still impact returns, as with any investment, and users should have realistic expectations. Final verdict: Fundshop is best for those looking for an easy, low-cost, and automated investment solution. It's perfect for passive investors focused on long-term wealth growth, but may not suit traders or those needing personalized financial planning. If you're interested in trying Fundshop, check the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.